The Lanoptik 830 series cameras feature a 18.20 FIVM stroke stepper motor, enabling quick inspection of specimens with varying thicknesses. With advanced focus technology, these cameras offer for intuitive modes. Autofocus usually centers and focuses automatically for quick detection. Single focus can put any point of the image in focus with a single click. Manual focus helps find the precise focus of desired position of the image by simply rolling the mouse wheel. Initialize focusing brings the camera back to its initial C-mount position. These focus modes deliver fast, precise imaging, perfect for applications like IVF, industrial inspection, metallographic analysis, pathology, microbiology, insect research, geology and petrology, archaeology. Lanoptik 830 series camera with autofocus, revolutionizing microscope precision with effortless, automated focusing. Thank you for your attention.